Wise man said, the beginning is the end is the beginning. All is an illusion. And that's the illusion I'm about to show you. You say to the audience and light up a candle on the holder. You then take out a coin and have the audience sign on both sides. After a quick verification, you place the coin over the flame. The coin bursts into flames and turns into a deck of cards. You show the cards and ask them to select one and memorize it. Now you gather the cards and put them away, telling the audience, I don't need to find this card because I said already, the beginning is the end. Do you remember this candle holder?
Yes.
The audience look at the candle holder where a prediction has appeared at the base of the melting candle. It's the selected card. The audience is amazed, but the magic isn't over yet. You continue. You see, inside the candle holder, there is a coin still hidden, the very same one you all signed at the beginning. The candle combines multiple effects including coins, cards, transposition, and predictions. It also provides a fantastic framework to thread up your entire close-up routine. The flickering candlelight undoubtedly adds an air of mystery to your performance. And the concept of the beginning being the end gives the audience more room for imagination. The candle comes with a custom gimmick candle holder that will last you a lifetime, as well as all the necessary tools. You can set up the illusion in just a few minutes and use any prediction content you like. The candle, a perfect addition to your repertoire.